Hello, it's Rob here and welcome to this video on a couple of mods I'm doing to my little Tamiya Lunch Box Mini on the SW-01 chassis. First off, this first one is due to a problem I had on its first run, where basically I lost one of these. Oops. And I've almost lost this one as well. And as you can see, it's what do they call it? Cross joint, Tamiya call this. Comes stock with the kit, and it goes in the drive shafts, as you can see here, to make up a universal joint. Oops, get them zoomed in sometimes. And basically, first run, within less than 5 minutes I would say, one of these popped out, and actually popped out of both sides of the shaft, and basically lost it. You know, so small, it's gone. It's somewhere in Mark's garden. So I had a look on the internet and managed to find this, which is a Tamiya hop-up. The item number is 54928, and it basically consists of brass and stainless steel replacements. And let's get this back again. If we can just see, I'm not sure if you'll be able to, but first off, there's a big difference in the length of the pins if you look from the plastic one to the brass one. So if we look here on the plastic one, you can actually see that it slides up and down, and when it's down, there's you know, quite easy for it to pull off, it says. And very similar the other way round. You can see there it's doing stuff. It's not seeing it, but hey. But anyway, so if we come back to this one, you can see there's virtually no up and down movement because the ball joint bit is bigger on that side, and on this one, although there is some movement, you can see that the pin is quite a bit longer, and it's also held in with a grub screw. So with that, let's have a look at installing it. First off, you've got to, if you've already built it, you'll have to dismantle the drive shaft. So, yeah, not that difficult. As part of the kit, you get this screw, which is 3x23mm, and it screws into where the grub screw goes, just to make it easier. And you do start off with the wheel axle side, and it's the same as the stock, just slightly harder. And as you can see, keep doing that, keep going too high. Hardly any movement in that. You can then remove that, and then we need the other end, and we've got this pin with the slot cut out. And that needs to go through. And you need to line it up. Oops. With the grub screw hole. And then we can take a tiny little grub screw, and again, because I've got it and it's metal on metal, I'm putting some, says if any comes out, and here we go, putting a bit of thread lock on. Just get the excess of thread lock away, and there we have it done. And I can install them both and get the wheels back on. And to finish, here's some clips of me having a little test in my hobby room on the carpet. A few wheelies and quite a few crashes. So I hope you've enjoyed watching and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers, bye.